We all know that snap photos automatically disappear after we've seen them. It was fun, but also caused some distress. Many people wanted to see it again. What to do? Check out this method. That is to use iSeeker, a professional iOS data recovery software. It can help you recover deleted images and videos even without any backup. First, download and open iSeeker. Select Recover from iOS device. Connect your iPhone to the PC and click Next. All data types will be displayed here. Click Scan. Deleted photos are shown here. Recover the parts you want and save them on your device. Isn't it very simple? Except for Snapchat. All this data can be recovered by iSeeker. Click the link below to use iSeeker for free.